When you think of fast startup in Windows, it has its benefits, but there are reasons to consider turning it off. So through this video, we will show you how to easily toggle off fast startup. So for the first method, search for Power Options. Now in the Power Options window, click the option Choose what the power buttons do, and then click the option Change that is currently unavailable. Once in here, uncheck the box for Turn on Fast Startup if you want to turn it off. But if you want to enable it, ensure that the box is checked. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom right when you're finished. For the next method, use the Registry Editor. To open it, search for regedit in your computer. Go to this path. Click on this option. Set the value to 1 and click OK to save the changes. And for your last resort, you'd also use the command prompt by opening it with admin rights. Type in this code, then press Enter. And that's all there's to it in turning on or off the fast startup of your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.